In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete Zoho account permanently. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in home.zoho.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Zoho. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to delete your account, it is actually very simple. Click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for my account. Click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be redirected to the new tab. In this tab, you'll be able to see all the information regarding your account. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find this option for settings and click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down to the bottom. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find this option for close account. You'll be able to permanently delete all the data associated with your account and the apps that you use. So in order to close your account, click on this option, close account, that you can see on the screen. If you close your account, you'll no longer be able to enjoy the Zoho services. You'll be able to find various informations over here. Simply read this information. Now after you do that, click on this option, proceed, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to close your account. You'll be able to see the used apps over here. All of your data associated with these apps will be deleted. Click on this option, next. Now you'll be able to see the app specific organizations. Simply click on this option, next. Now you'll finally be able to close your account. Right over here, you'll be able to select the reason. Click on the field of select reason. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can also share the feedback if you want. Click on the field of feedback. Now after you do that, you can enter the feedback if you want. Now after you enter the feedback, check on this box, I understand and confirm that I agree to close my account. Now click on this option, close account, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to verify your identity in order to continue. Click on this option, send OTP, that you can see on the screen. Now an OTP will be sent to your email. What you have to do is simply open Gmail. Go to new tab and type in gmail.com. After that, Gmail will be opened. Now you can see over here, Zoho team has sent me the email. Simply click on it. Now over here, you'll be able to see the OTP. Memorize this OTP. Now go back to the Zoho tab. Now what you have to do is enter that OTP over here. Now click on this option, verify, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular tab will be closed. Go back to the Zoho tab. Now again click on this option, close account. Now you can see over here your account has been deleted and you'll be signed out of your account. So that is how you delete Zoho account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.